This thing won't stop flipping. It's called an infinite donut. Just paper strips woven together, but it rolls between your fingers like it's alive. You need 2 strips of paper. Scraps work perfectly. Leftover bits from other crafts, whatever's lying around. Now weave. Over, under, over, under. I'll mark when you need to interlock. If you run out of strip length, just glue more paper to each end and keep going. Once it's long enough to close into a loop, cut the excess. And glue both ends together. Let it dry. And you've got yourself a free fidget toy made from scraps.